Hello, I'm Kay Estefano and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to crochet this adjustable ear saver. We will only be needing a yarn, a corresponding hook size, pair of scissors, weaving needle, and a sewing thread and needle. We will start with this slip knot and make a chain at least 70. After that, we will start our double crochet from the 7th chain from hook. Chain 2, skip 2 and make double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the process until you end up with at least 7 centimeters of chain left. Now that we have 7 centimeters of chains left, we will make double crochet in each. On your last double crochet, chain 1, tighten the yarn and cut. Now, after weaving the ends, let's sew our button. Also make sure that the button slips through the hole. If you also want to make these crochet buttons, I do have a tutorial. I will be putting the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell button. Thank you!